How to repair a pothole. Let's patch the pothole with our pavement worker. We need to clean the pothole at the beginning. Then, we can pour this cold patch asphalt into the hole. The asphalt we are using is a water-activated cold patch asphalt from Longton Highway Company. So no heating needed for the asphalt. After paving the asphalt, we need to pour some water on the asphalt. The bonding strength will be activated once it contacts water. So you can also use the asphalt on a rainy day. Finally, compact the surface with heavy stuff like hammer or rolling by a car as we do. Job done! If you are interested in this cold patch asphalt, contact me.